Hello again. So what are the benefits? So the term mindfulness, or otherwise referred to as a psychological state of awareness, present moment focused attention. Mindfulness has many benefits supported by recent research evidence, and this research suggests that practicing mindfulness can be beneficial for our overall mental health and well-being. So that's got to be a good thing, right? Now, some examples of those benefits are: it can help promote a feeling of relaxation, although that's not its aim. It helps the mind and body to feel less stressed. It increases a sense of well-being, a sense of self-awareness. It helps emotional resilience in all aspects of your life. Now, there is scientific evidence informing us that mindfulness and meditation can also help us with the following. Help us to decrease rumination, that constant replaying of negative thinking and fear and worry. It can help to slow your heart rate and lower your blood pressure. It has a beneficial practice of helping you to relieve and manage stress and anxiety, which is why I introduce it to my clients in therapy. And mindfulness also helps us to recognise our skills, our ability to cope in many challenging and difficult situations that we face in life. So in addition to practicing mindfulness at home, more and more employers are recognising the benefits, and they're actually introducing mindfulness sessions into the workplace. Many of you might be aware of that. You may even have taken part in some of them. And mindfulness in the workplace supports employers to cope better with the pressures and deadlines and emotional exhaustion, and promote health and well-being in the workplace. So you can see why there's many benefits to mindfulness, and why mindfulness pops up everywhere we look. But the benefits of mindfulness can be life-changing. So please practice mindfulness. Just 5 minutes a day. See you in the next video.